chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about ApeSwap, an artwork of PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain. And what is cool about it, you can do the same thing, but they create their own universe on the Binance Smart Chain with this beautiful monkey with banana. So just before it keep going, I want you to take a couple of action for this great channel. Subscribe right now. Leave smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Leave a nice comment below about ApeSwap and want me to cover other DeFi thing. Just leave a nice comment below. Press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. Thank you so much if you take those actions. So let's go back to the most powerful thing in the world, not the most powerful thing. And do not forget, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just providing this information as educational purpose and put you great project onto your radar, and we do your own research, and this is really important. So let's go back to ApeSwap. As you can see, beautiful monkey with banana. Welcome all apes. Why be a human when you can be an ape? Pretty obvious, huh? And you can eat banana. I'm just testing you. So the banana state, you can see the market cap 62.1 million. They have banana in circulation 43 million, and they are burning almost 6.3 million. And this is really cool. And they have on the DEX liquidity over 241 million TVL, mean total value lock-in. So this is really important metric, and the cryptos first. And the app stat, you can check it if you have logged in with your MetaMask wallet here. You can check your own stat, how much money you lock into any pools or liquidity pools you lock. You can see all the metric, how many APY you're going to see by day, month, and years, I believe. So you can trade back and forth if you click this section. Let's go see the farm. As you can see, it's say beautiful graphic, beautiful farm. You see the tractors, the windmill here. I think it's a windmill in English. Yeah, I think windmill. And they have the farmer here, and all the beautiful graphic integrated into the page. Really beautiful colors with yellow, small green, some different kind of green and different kind of tone. Pretty outstanding. So as you can see, you can make over 436 IPY with risky probably asset. Always do your own research. I don't know, I never heard about Bison in the first place. Binance BNB, they offer over 436% until you can make how much? Until a stablecoin pool 8.69%. And with a stablecoin pool, so you can make at least 8 or 9 to 10%. It's more that you saving a bank account, my friend. And this is, you need to consider that. So the decentralized finance is here to stay, and offer a myriad of opportunities into your plate. And as you can see, Matic BNB 22%, Dodge BNB 27%. But if you have an appetite for risk, you are a big risk creator, because if you take big risks, you have big reward. You can generate right now over 375% to over 400. But always consider they have element of risk of liquidation and rogue pot and stuff like that. So always consider always evaluate the risk before involve to put all your own money into any protocol below, because you need to do your own decisions. And this is very important, because if you do your own research and you want to take the risk, if you lose money, you will not be upset. But don't play with money that you need to pay rent or for buying grocery, or the diaper for your kids, for an example. Always play with money you can afford to lose. And this is really exciting what we have on the plate right now in the DeFi space. So this is all the pool, as you can see. They have let's go jump to the pool sections. So you can, what's cool with the pool section, so you stake banana To earn new token, you can unstake at any time. Reward I calculate per block. So they release 10 banana per block. So as you can see, they have a lot. You just need to lock one asset instead of two when you get involved with liquidity pool. So you can just lock banana, bison pool, BNFT pool, all project. I don't know if you go details. You can visit the project website, and this you can discover new project like Bison, BFT pool. So take the time. I haven't checked all the project available on those infrastructure. It's brand new for me right now. If I find something really appealing, very interesting, I'm going to make a great episode about it. I'm going to cover all the features as I'm always do on daily basis on this vlog. Not this vlog, but on this episode that I provide 7 episodes a week, 7 days. So every day I'm providing value, and you're going to discover great things if you subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee. As you can see, it's pretty obvious. You just need to lock one asset, and you're going to start to generate, you're going to yield farming another new token that you can sell it back, and you can do a variety of things. You need to define your own strategy. So let's go jump to the EIE all sections. So initial Ape offerings, pretty cool. So buy new token by staking Ape LP. So this is the first definition, the B share. Decentralized index funds, pretty cool. So you can mine, you can invest in new token. Just you can receive new token from project just by locking liquidity pool. So buy new token by staking APLP. Pretty cool to discover new project this way. You need to buy it. You're not yield farming them. So this is pretty interesting. NFA. What is NFA? Non-fungible apes. Wow. So you can mint your own NFT. It's not the most happening NFT, to be obvious. This is my spontaneous talk about it. So I don't like to see pixel. You need probably, they can design better NFT from my point of view. As you can see, art is subjective. Probably you like it or not. Probably those will have value, but it's not something that's happening to me. They can put more effort into those NFT that you can mint into this infrastructure. I don't like the pixel. I think they can put more effort to design it better, monkey or something more happening visually. So this is pretty cool. They have NFT sections, and the app zone. What we're going to find it, because I'm learning at the same time, my friend, with all the options available on this ApeSwap interface. So golden banana, what is good for? I need to take some coffee. I'm going to read that part. So we're going to learn at the same time what is Ghana. What is good for? Golden banana. Passive farming. Ghana is a reflect token with a 2% transfer fee. Ghana holders get a share of the fee proportional to their holding just by having in their wallet. Exclusive perk. Get access to Ghana only EIO allocation. A new array of pool will be made available only to Ghana holders. Governance. Ghana is being lined up to be the official governance token of ApeSwap. So if you want to participate into this opportunity, you can yield farming this Ghana token that will be the governance token. So you can buy gold banana. Warning, buying banana involves paying a 28% burn fee and a 2% reflect fee for a total of cost of 30%. That means that for one banana you trade, you will receive 0.7 Ghana. So you can burn, that's the mechanism to burn banana token and diminish the supply of the banana token that will eventually increase in value. So golden banana EAO, so a good way to be able to buy the B share decentralized index fund that is finished right now. And let's go see the last section, info. So they have the overview. It takes some time. Info ApeSwap Finance. Let's go. I'm going to go back because it's too long, too low. So as you can see, they have the overview. You can check for yourself if you are interested. You just need to interact with your MetaMask wallet. They have the token, the pair, and the account, and more here. If you click more, what you can do with more. So they have the GitHub, docs, blog, team, community feedback, app. They have the event, their own app TV, bug bounty program, and also, as you can see, everything is packaged. And they have their own ecosystem. They create something as the same thing as PancakeSwap, but for the ApeSwap with their own ecosystem. And I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a good idea to explore. Start with a small amount of money. Don't burn yourself because they have so many scam out there on the crypto spheres. I don't say ApeSwap is a crypto scam, but you need to do your own decision. And just providing this information as educational purpose, and you need to do your own research. In the meantime, I'm going to close this beautiful episode about ApeSwap. And I want you to take a couple of actions for this great channel. The first action is subscribe right now. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Leave a nice comment below about ApeSwap or other project you want me to cover in the DeFi space on Binance Smart Chain or whatever the chain you want me to cover. I'm going to make it for you. If I find the project interesting, go for it. Leave a nice comment. Don't be shy. Press the bell notification. Press the notification bell, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday with great content of value. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, at school. As well, you can come visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com. You can subscribe to my newsletters and podcast. Thank you so much. You have all my gratitude and have a great day. And keep smiling, keep your energy high for another episode tomorrow from Chez Satoshi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.